Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to save and store your pea seeds from your garden. Here's a clip from the show. In the peas, these pods are dry, and so what I want to do is to go ahead, we're going to drop these pea plants in. I use old pillowcases. I really like them for drying down the rest of my seeds. So we're just going to disassemble. Take our sticks out. Oh, that's tied on. Okay. Hang on, let's cut that. And then I'm going to just pull up the pea plants and get these into a bag. And then I'm going to let the seed finish drying down in the bag. That way, if the seed pods decide they want to break open, they'll throw all their seeds inside my pillowcase instead of all over the ground. I think I'll just leave the string on and everything. So we're just going to pop these up. Okay, and I'm going to put them in the bag. Kind of hard to catch. Okay. That can finish drying in there. Now, one of the things that I did learn is you want to go ahead and put the tag in with it so that, especially if you got like two different varieties of lettuce, the seed all looks alike and you can't tell them apart. So be sure that you put a label in there. I like to put the variety and also like the date so that we can track what we got in our bags, because at the end of the season you got a lot of bags. It's a lot of tracking. Oops, that's not going to tie. All right, I'll put a string on that. We'll tie that up. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 15. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.